Hello everyone, welcome to Manhattan Tai Chi Combat COVID-19 Tai Chi series. I'm your Tai Chi instructor, Tai Chi Ray. In this series, I'm going to talk about how your body interacts with the ground. So let's start. So we're going to start with the standing meditation. So please go to the standing meditation posture. For those who are not familiar with the standing meditation posture, you can visit my previous video. You can by clicking the link above. So let's start with a standing meditation together. So heel touching each other, 45 degrees in between, and feeling that you are carrying a huge jar on the top of your head. And withdraw your chest, open your back. Tucking your tailbone by bending your knees. Now let's breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth together. So sinking down, inhale up, looking into the sky, down, exhale. Up, inhale fully, exhale fully. Up, expanding your upper body. Down, contracting your upper body. One last time. Up, down. Now, please touch your tongue onto your upper palate and use your nose to inhale and exhale. Now when you inhale, expanding your upper body, and exhale, contracting your upper body. Your palm maintain expanding. The center of your pelvic floor is slightly lift up. Now let's scan through our body together. Feeling that all your bone structure is up into the sky and all your muscle is dropping down into the earth. You may close your eyes or you can gaze gently. Resting each part of your muscle onto your bone structure by scanning through your entire body from top to down. And the other part of you watching your thought coming and going. Don't label any thought. Don't develop a story out of any of your thoughts. If there's any stiffness inside your body, gently passing the stiffness along your center line into the ground. Now dropping the roots of your tongues along your center line to the ground, while the tip of your tongue is elevating into the sky. Saliva may be generated. Please swallow it gently. If there's a thought, let go and listen to the echo of silence. And we'll stand here for a short while. Now when you're ready, open your eyes and let's close this exercise. expanding your palms, thrusting down, compressing yourself, bouncing back into the sky. And exhale, sinking down, up, down, expanding, contracting. Now let's shake up. So talking about the relationship between your body and the ground is simple. It's just like playing the tennis against the wall. So the tennis racket is exactly like your body. The bone structure is the frame. The neck of the racket is your muscle, tendon, and fascia structure. The tennis ball is your weight. When you're pressing your weight into the ground, you will receive a reaction force back from the ground. And in Tai Chi, we utilize this reaction force as the first momentum. So let's experience it together. First, I want you to stand Tai Chi horse stance. So open your legs shoulder wide, pointing your toes forward. So your toes and your knee should be in the same line. And I want you to feel that you are sitting on a horse, which means that the arch of your crouch is rounded. Or you can feel like you're sitting on a yoga ball. So you're feeling that there's a tension inside and pushing outward. And I'm going to show you a side view. For your back, I still want you to maintain chest with jaw back open, tailbone tucking in, so your back is almost straight. Very good. So now let's feel the reaction between your weight and the ground. So first, I want you to sink down, feeling that someone's pressing you and your body is like a spring. So someone's pressing you from your shoulder to your hip and to the bottom of your feet. And suddenly you let go of the pressures and bouncing back into the sky. And down. Feeling the compression again. Up. Bouncing back. And down. Again. Up. Bouncing back and down. When you're up, feeling the expansion of your entire body into the space. And when you're down, feeling that your body is like a spring being pressed into the ground. One last time. Up. And down. So let me introduce you a second movement. I'm going to show you a side view. So still Tai Chi horse stance. And then imagine that you're carrying a huge stone, huge rock on the ground. So you're sinking down, carry this huge rock up to the chest level and pushing out. One more time. Up and pushing out. Carry this huge stone up and pushing out. Again, up, feeling the weight of the stone is transferring along your spine to your chest, to your shoulders, and to your fingers. And try to use the minimal muscle to finish the entire movement. Pushing out. Very good. Let me show you the front view. Up the stone and pushing out. feeling that your weight is the tennis ball. When you're sinking down, this tennis ball is hitting the wall. And when you're bouncing back, it's going through the entire kinetic chain of your body and pressing out. Very good. So let's close this exercise. Down. Up and down. One last time. Up and down. Very good. Now you can shake up. So now I'm going to introduce another movement from the 5 animal play. It's called tiger. So it also utilizes the reaction force from the ground. So please follow me. Going back to the Tai Chi horse stance and feeling your palm, the back of your palm is facing each other, and you're looking at your palm, sinking down, turning your palms and make it into a fist up into the sky, pulling something heavy into the sky and pushing into the sky. Now change into the tiger claw and squeeze, turn your wrist and push and pulling down again. Up, looking at the sky, turn, twist and pulling down. Inhale up, feeling that you're pulling something heavy and pushing into the sky. And then you're pulling something heavy down using your entire weight. Up and down. Now let's do a mental exercise. Imagine that you're pulling 20 pounds weight into the sky. Now you're pulling 20 pounds weight to the earth. And let's increase the weight, 50 pounds. You have to imagine the weight. Actually, you are working on the weight. And let's further increasing the weight, 100 pounds. Up. Down. Now 200 pounds. Up. Down. Now imagine that you are Superman or Superwoman, pulling a ton into the sky, pulling it down to the earth. Now gently relaxing your arm and stand up. So let's close, sinking down, up. Fully relaxing your arm. One more time. Sinking down, up. One more time, up. Shake it up. So for the next several videos, I will continue to talk about the kinetic chain movement in Tai Chi. Also, the interaction between your body and the ground is very fundamental in our Tai Chi practice. And thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'm looking forward to communicating with you. See you next time. Bye.